Good morning, children. In today's session, I am going to give you book back answers in science for 3rd standard. That is from the term 3, children, unit 1, our environment. Okay, you can take your classwork, take down in your notebook, children. Okay, so first is Roman number 1, choose the correct answer. Take your classwork, write the lesson's name, put term 3 and write, children. Okay, write neatly without making any mistakes. Write neatly. Which of these is an example? Which of these is an example for biotic factor? So 3 options are given, children. So the answer for you is A, water, B, goat, C, air. Answer is B, goat. So after getting your book, you can mark in your book also, children. Okay. So our environment is surrounded by dash they have given. Answer is C, both biotic and abiotic factors. Abiotic factors. Okay, children. So this is the second one. Now third one is human beings depend on dash for their food. So answer is, what will be the option? 3 options: A, plants, B, soil, and C, wood. So answer is A, plants. So what will you write in the dash? Depend on plants. Okay. Then fourth one, dash are the primary producers. Dash are the primary producers. So for that, answer is 3 options: A, non-green plants, B, green plants, C, dry leaves. So answer is B, green plants. Okay. So what will you write? You will write the answer here as green plants in the dash. Okay. Then fifth one, take down in your notebooks, children. Which is an example for decomposer? So answer is 3 options given: A, mango tree, B, bacteria, and C, deer. So answer is B, bacteria. Okay, children. Then 6. Which of these living things would die if there were no green plants on earth? Okay. So answer is A and C only, B and D only, C, D and A only, and D, A, B, C and D. So answer is D, A, B, C and D. This is the answer. Okay. Now next we are going to see the fill in the blanks. Roman number 2. Fill in the blanks. So we'll see the fill in the blanks now. Okay, this is second side reading. Dash is a consumer. Cow. Cow is a consumer. Then second, a young plant is known as. A young plant is known as sapling. Known as sapling. Okay. Third, planting of sapling provides dash. Two options given, oxygen and land. So what's the answer, children? Oxygen. Planting of sapling provides oxygen. Okay. Then fourth one. Have all completed this, children? Take down in a notebook cleanly. So if you write clearly only, it will be easy for you to learn for exam, children. Take down in your notebook. Okay, 3 we have finished. And the fourth one. World Environmental Day is. World Environment Day. World Environment Day is dash. Two options given, June 15th and June 5th. Answer is June 5th. Okay. Then fifth one. Dash get food. Dash get food from dead plants and animals. Two options given, decomposers and producers. So answer is decomposers. Decomposers. Okay, children. Then next is Roman number 3. Match the following. Match the following. So I'm giving you straight answers, children. Okay. So first one, stone. Stone. So it is a abiotic factor. Stone is a abiotic factor. So number 2, bacteria, decomposer. Third, plants, producers. Buffalo, consumer. Buffalo is a consumer. Okay, children. Now next we'll go to the Roman number 4. Say true or false. Say true or false. Okay, children. This is Roman number 4. Okay. That is abiotic factors are important for. I will finish this, children. Shall I rub it? Take down in your notebook, children, whenever it's given in the Whenever I'm writing on the board, don't keep it and write till the last. Important for biotic factors. Biotic factors. Answer is true. This is the first one. Second, river is an example. River is an example. River is an example for biotic factor. For biotic factor, answer is false. Then third one, one Mahotsav is organized during the first week of July every year. So the answer is true. Okay. Then fourth one, plants are the consumers. Plants are the consumers. Answer is false. Then the last one, fifth one, plants provide food and shelter to living things. So answer is true. Okay, children. So this is over. Next is Roman number 5. Answer the following. First question. Vijay placed two things P and R. Okay, P and R. One living and one non-living in separate cages. Cages means you know kundin solraliya. Cages with food and water. So both food and water is kept in the cage. Okay. So take down this fast in your notebook, children. So after getting the book, you can mark it in your book also, all these objectives. Okay. Still you have a question? This is number of peaks, weight of P. Okay, this is the weight of P and weight of R. Okay. Now week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. Okay, so this is a question, children. Okay, it comes in the question only, this tabular column. இதுவும் question தான், சரியா? Now weight of P will see first week 2 kg, then 4 kg in the second week, 6 kg in the third week and 8 kg in the fourth week. அதாவது weight of P வந்து ஒவ்வொரு வீக்கும் ஏறிட்டே போகுது. So weight of P is week 1ல 2, ரெண்டாவது வாரத்தில் 4 kg, மூணாவது வாரத்தில் 6 kg and week 4ல 8 kg. That is 2 kg is raising. Okay, now we'll see weight of R. It is not raising. Okay, இது ஏறவில்லை, அப்படியே இருக்கு. 1.5, 1.5 and 1.5. Okay, so this is the question. Yes. So this is a question, children. So what do you understand from this, children? That is questions they have given. In that A and B they have given, children. A is which thing is likely to be a living thing. Okay, this is a question. Give reason for your answer. This is A. Okay, give reason for your answer. So which is a living thing and why you have to give the reason. And B is what will be the weight of living thing in week 6. Okay, ஆறாவது வாரத்தில் என்ன வெயிட்னு இட்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி given here in the tabular column. Okay, now we have to write the answers for both A and B. So I will take down this, children. So the answer is, now P is a living thing. So why P is a living thing, children? P is a living thing. So why we have to see? That is because it has gained na weight ஏறுறது, புரியுதா? gained or change its weight. So P is a living thing இல்லையா? P இருக்கிறதுனால தான். ஸோ இப்போ நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸ்லாம் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் டேபிள் சேர்லாம் எடுத்தோம்னா அது வெயிட் ஏறுதா? கிடையாது, அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். இது லிவிங் திங்ஸ்னால் ஒவ்வொரு இதுவும் என்ன ஆகும்? வீக் பை வீக் த வெயிட் சேஞ்சஸ் ஆர் இட் இஸ் கெயின்ட். ஓகே, இட்ஸ் வெயிட் வீக் ஆஃப்டர் வீக், after week. Okay, and B is, this is A. Okay, and B, what will be the weight of living thing in week 6? The weight of living thing in week 6 be around 10 kg. அதாவது அவங்க வீக் 4 வரைக்கும் தான் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, சரியா? இப்போ வீக் 5, வீக் 6, 8, 10, 12, அதாவது 10 to 12 வரைக்கும் அங்கே சேஞ்ச் ஆகலாம், சரியா? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஆன்சர். ஸோ த வெயிட் ஆஃப் லிவிங் திங், த வீக் 6 to be gained be around 10 kg. Okay, So it changes. So it's the answer. Okay, so P is a living thing. P is a living thing, and because it has gained or changed its weight week after week. Okay, so you can, in this itself, you can understand the tabular column. You can P is a living thing, R is a non-living thing. Why it's a non-living thing? And the weight up here marla. அதே மாதிரி நீங்க P எடுத்தீங்கன்னா the weight வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு. So it is a living thing. So for example, நீங்களே எடுத்தீங்கன்னா பேபியா இருக்கும்போது ஒரு weight இருப்பீங்க, அப்புறம் ஒவ்வொரு ஏஜ் நீங்கள் போக போக உங்கள் வெயிட் ஏறிட்டே போகும் இல்லையா? ஸோ இட்ஸ் லைக் திஸ். ஸோ இட்ஸ் யூஆர் அ லிவிங் திங். இதே நீங்கள் வந்து உங்கள் வீட்டில் சேரோ டேபிளோ இருக்கும்போது அது வெயிட் வந்து ஒரே இதில் தான் வாங்கணும். ஸோ இயர் பை இயர் அது சேஞ்ச் ஆகதா கிடையாது, அப்படி தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ இட்ஸ் அ நான் லிவிங் திங். ஸோ P இஸ் அ லிவிங் திங் அண்ட் R இஸ் அ நான் லிவிங் திங். Okay children, so other 6 questions are there. We will continue in the next class children. Thank you.